back to another video from Bioholic. Hope you all are doing well. So in this particular video, I am going to talk about the phylum Ctenophora. So in previous classification, Ctenophora was placed under the phylum Coelenterata, but now it is considered as a separate phylum in the animal kingdom. So we will learn some basic characteristics about the Ctenophora. So let's begin. So as we all know that the phylum Porifera is also known as pore bearers, right? And just like that, the phylum Ctenophores are also known as comb bearers. And the term comb bearers comes from the two Greek words. One is tenes, which means comb, and the second one is phores, which means bearers. So the phylum Ctenophorus are also known as comb bearers, and they also known as comb jellies, sea gooseberries, sea walnuts, or Venus girdles. Okay, now we will talk about some basic features of Ctenophora. So the ctenophores are mostly round and spherical in body shape, and they are exclusively marine animals. It means they are found in specially ocean. Okay, and they are diploblastic, radially symmetrical with tissue level of organization, and the mesoglia gives them the jelly-like appearances. Okay, now their body bears 8 ciliated comb-like plates which help them in their locomotion. And one special property is there, that is bioluminescence, which is present in ctenophores. Okay, and this property helps them to be able to emit light. Understood? And now a special kind of structures, that is colloblast. So colloblasts are microscopic sticky structures which discharge a sticky adhesive thread to adhere to the prey. And usually the classes of ctenophores like Cdipida and Lobata have colloblasts in their tentacles. Okay, and after a prey is caught by a colloblast, the tentacles is contracted and the prey is brought by the predator's mouth, and there the prey is released and ingested. Okay, and now the digestion. So the digestive system of ctenophores consists of mouth, pharynx, and stomach with a canal system. Okay, and the digestion is both extracellular digestion and intracellular digestion. And as I have mentioned that the food is captured by their tentacles and then they are directed to the gastrovascular cavity of their body. Okay, so the first digestion takes place in the cavity, which is known as the extracellular digestion, and then inside the food vacuoles, which is known as intracellular digestion. Okay, next is reproduction. So ctenophores are hermaphrodites, which means their sexes are not separate. So sperm and ova both are produced by the same individual, and that is the reason why asexual reproduction is absent in ctenophores, and thus the reproduction takes place only by the sexual means. So the fertilization is external in ctenophores, as fusion of sperm and ovum takes place outside of the body in the water, and following the fertilization the zygote develops into free swimming larva, which is known as cydipid, and which later develops into the adult ctenophores. Now the nervous system. Okay, so the ctenophores have no central nervous system or brain, but they have a nerve network which is more complex, and moreover they have apical sense organ. So what is apical sense organ? The apical sense organ, which is located on their arboreal surface of their body, controls the beating of cilia statocyst to maintain their balance. So what is the function of apical sense organ? The main function of the apical sense organ is to maintain their body balance. Okay? Now the bioluminescence. So what is bioluminescence? So the bios means living and lumen means light. So the bioluminescence is a property of production and emission of light by a living organism, and hence shine in the dark background. Okay, and this property bioluminescence is well marked in ctenophores as they produce and emit light and hence shine against the black background. Okay, and now these are the examples. First one is the pleobrachia and the second one is ctenoplana. Okay, now here is a very interesting fact about ctenophores, that is they can live in depth up to 4 km of water. Okay, and now if you have any questions or doubts related to today's lecture, then ask me in the comment section below. And if you want to do your self-assessment, then must visit the description box where I have provided the link for self-assessment. So go and check that out. So that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, then give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. And if you are new here, then hi, myself Ankita Biswas, your bioeducators. Please subscribe to our channel Bioholic and press the bell icon to get further notifications of our upcoming videos. So thanks for watching, and till then take care and keep watching Bioholic.